So this is my house, guys. I already bought a floor mat. Look. So yeah, I already bought the floor mat. So this is my house. And also the bags here is hanging the door. And also my cats. My cats is in table. I have uh, 6 cats here in my house. And this is my kitchen. My cat, my kitchen. Yeah. So this is my inside. Small. I have no door here. I put only a curtains and also the plywood. Yes. So that my cat cannot go inside. So this is my cats. The other one. And the black one is in the house of my sister. And here, the bucket where I put my rice or cornbreads. So yeah. And I also put here my pot. Yeah, because I have no cabinet, so I put there. And I cook lately fish, fried fish. So I put there because my cat is always have the bucket here at the down there because I only save water because sometimes we have no water here, so I save water. And also, so yeah, para na. So this is the outside. This is the outside. It's very dark outside. Our cow. So yeah. And also the moon. Yeah. Jake is watching TV. Watching TV at my sister's house. So yes. This is my cute house. I love it here. And also, I will show you guys my rooster and also my chickens. I will show you guys my chickens. So, these are my chickens. Hala, che! My rooster here. That's a blind rooster. And also, chicken. I cannot say this because it's so dark. Ano man mo, oy? Video. Hi guys. Hi guys, for today's video, we are going to the city because I'm just buying some hanger for my clothes, and also I need to buy rice and also vegetable. I mean, partner for rice. So I'm with my nephew Jake, and we're just walking here the road because no motorcycle pass here, so we need to go over there because the motorcycle is waiting over there. I mean, motorcycle for the transportation. So, and also we need to pay it. So, yeah. So we just came there. And also, this is a morning exercise. This is morning exercise. Chico, dali.